In any language, understanding how to give an introduction is really important, and since this is my first video, it seems fitting that I give a brief introduction about this channel. Willkommen in meinem Klassenzimmer für alle. Ich bin Ihr Freund. Welcome to my classroom for everyone. I am your friend. In this channel, you will find short educational videos and lectures regarding the German language. I keep my videos as short as possible because I am also a student and I know that keeping attention for a very long time seems like a very hard task to do. At the same time, always try to keep the topics that I am discussing simple, understandable, and also make it as fun as possible. So before ending this video, just a short disclaimer. I'm not a native German speaker, nor am I a native English speaker. These languages are more of acquired languages and not my mother tongue by any means. So my accent is nowhere near a native English or a German speaker, and that goes for the pronunciations of the words as well. So I will meet you all next time. Till then, pass auf dich auf. Auf Wiedersehen.